What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. So today we look at this sticker pack. So basically looking something like this. So basically for a birthday, any form of gift that you can give someone, these are various kind of sticker pack that come inside right here. And as you can see, we have different design and we have a lot of them inside this package right here. So let me take them out, show you guys. So as you can see right here, this is one of the sticker pack. So you basically can peel off any one of these from here and stick it into anything that you want, probably on your book, probably on a gift card, or any form of decor that you want to place it on. So you can see bless you all, make a wish. So there are a lot of different word form that you can choose from on here, and as I said, there's a lot of them that is inside right here, and a lot of different design that you can choose from. So each of these have different word, so you can see right there are different word, so you can basically go through them. Right there are different word as well, right here are different word. So we have a lot of different of them that you can choose from right here, looking pretty neat. So guys, I'm gonna place the sticker on my laptop right here. So I'm gonna find the sticker that I love to place it onto this one. So I'm just gonna look at one that I basically like. So one said to be yourself, today's adventure, soaking up the sunshine, dream far. Let me see any more that I love on this right here. Bless you, make a wish. Let's see one that I like. I just picked out two that I liked. Easy like Sunday morning, and today's rock. Alright, I love this one right here. I'm going to choose this one. So basically what you can do is to fold like this, and you can pick out the one that you like. So as you can see right here, it's looking pretty clear. So you can see that it's plastic looking right here. So it's more preferable if you put it on a surface that you basically can show. So I'm just gonna put it on my laptop right here, put it over here, let you guys see the finished work. So guys, as you can see, I've already pasted up one right here, which is looking pretty neat, onto my laptop right there. So I'm gonna choose some more that I want to paste on it. So a lot of them that you can basically choose from, different sizes. So that's how it look right there. It's looking pretty neat, as you can see guys. Well, looking pretty neat. Paste this onto right here. So guys, that's how it's looking so far. Looking great. So I basically can pull off all of these on right here.